people. Welcome to State of the Life Address February edition. And for this, we are going to be having a conversation while I try to have a little me time. So, I have some stuff like basic stuff here. I don't know whether I should do like the face mask or the eye. What's the word for this? Eye patch. Is it me? Eye bag. See. I'm sure. I forgot there is a song, but I fell on this. So we're going to have the mask, and I've already washed my hands today and my feet. So let's just get right into it. I'm using this thing. It's called baby face. I don't know. I literally grew up with this product. Yeah. February has been an interesting month. It has been a very interesting month, guys. My breakouts are getting worse. Like, oh, bro. But in February, I learned like a number of things, right? Like I put too much. But then, one thing I learned is the method I was using was not necessarily the right way. In that, I was like trying to give me a minute. Hello. Yeah. How are you all doing? Peace out. Peace in. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Special feature from my roommate's favor. At this point, it's like she's in almost all of my vlogs. Okay, not all of them, but that's a good thing. That's what I was saying, right? The method that I was trying to use for self-improvement, it was the self-improvement, was actually wrong. In the sense that you don't try to improve your life from a place of defeat. Like you're already feeling defeated. See those motivational videos where like you feel like you are doing blah blah blah. The basic thing is, I think for you to work on yourself and do the whole self improvement, you have to do it from a place of proper mindset and belief systems, which I had very long. And February was just a terrible month. Honestly. I was just having panic attacks almost every single day. What was wrong with this thing? And that's not a good thing. Right. Maybe I've not done this in a long time, or I'm just using too much. It's like it's foaming on my face. But then back to what I was saying. You need to like have a proper belief system. And one thing I've also come to accept is I cannot actually save myself. Yes, as I was saying, I cannot save myself because I don't know. If I could save myself, given all that I know, I wouldn't be in this state. Like, I mean, I have a good life going to work, but there's a certain threshold I want to be, and I am not there. So there's a lot of things, but I realized that I couldn't save myself. And I've been thinking about this thing for a while now. So the thing is, somebody, actually my pastor, was telling me that you may be under the illusion that you want to be helped. How do you do it? So this is slide. Maybe under the illusion that you want to be helped, but then deep down in your heart, you actually don't want to be helped. you sort of find the you find the whole experience fulfilling. It's more like you like the niche that you are in. And that got me thinking, sorry, please don't use me the comments. Like, that got me thinking, why, this is how you all struggle. The last time I taught one of the marks, the school, uh-huh. Now, so you may be under the illusion that like you want to be helped, but deep down, you actually do not want to be helped. You just want to be heard and seen. Some people like they just want somebody to hear that, oh, I have suffered or I've done this, blah blah blah. Not necessarily that like they want to be helped or change or move out of that situation. Then there are some people too, they genuinely want to be helped, but then they want to like say I did this on my own. I do not need help, I do not need blah 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 yada 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 yada. I personally think I have to do more reflection to see where I fall exactly. I do know that I do not want to keep living like this in a perpetual state of anxiousness, fear, I'm so sorry, and all of that. That's definitely one thing I know I do not want to keep living like. However, deep down, I think I need to reflect more and what not. That like, do I actually want this? Like, how bad do I want it? How bad do I want it? And in February also, I learned that seeking for help is actually not a bad thing. Like a problem shared is half solved, right? And for me, my problem, I do not really have a problem because should I call it issue? Whatever it is that I think I am going through, I spoke about it extensively this month as in my mental health status, right? I don't think I've really spoken about it with anybody in such great detail. Remember my last video where I was like, I went to church. You may think it's irrelevant, but that's actually a very big deal for me because for some time now, whenever I have to go to church, I do get panic attacks, like I'm stressed, and sometimes it gets to the point that my body can't even move, like I'm collapsed. And I went to church in January. I was not able to go to church in February in person because of panic attacks and whatnot. So I learned that speaking about whatever it is quite liberating. And now that I'm speaking about it, I don't have to deal with the shame of dealing with this alone, blah blah blah. And right now I'm just striving for how to get better. By getting better, I don't know what I would do. But like let's see where the Lord will take us in March. But then one thing I've come to appreciate is that I do have lovely people around me. For instance, by now you'd have seen my February, so the Valentine's Day of love, and like my parents are amazing. Shout out to my dad, shout out to my mom, shout out. I don't know when I pronounce that word, but it feels weird. And everybody, shout out to all my friends. Oh, like, I'm surrounded by lovely people. And I'm so sure it took a while to notice, guys. That filter is off my eyes. So over time, I'm just going to try to blend the other filters from my eyes. Now, this is the longest my nails have been. My mother always makes me cut so I just feel we have both this long. I'm so good to cut my nails. My nails will break in. But then, that's basically it, guys. There's nothing more to see for February. February has just been such a learning curve. And like I've decided to approach my whole self-improvement thing on a whole new journey, like a whole new aspect, right? Instead of trying to say like I'll punish myself, I'll do this, I'll do that. I'm just going to try to give myself some grace, you know, myself some grace, babe. Yeah, I'm going to give myself some grace and love. Like, when I think of it, if I was a 5 year old, I wouldn't choose myself the way I'm choosing myself now. And clearly, I think I should put it. And clearly, the inner child in me has a lot of things she has to learn and work. So, I think the harsh approach is not helping me in any way because life is already harsh. Why would you want to be harsh on yourself? You get it. But I'm still going to be keeping my hair in cornrows and whatnot. Just that my whole perception about us has changed. And I'm not going to be changing it when I feel out there. I'll just restart. When the hair is growing, I'm tired of it. I'll just do something else. Yeah, this has been on for like 2 weeks. I feel like 1,000 already. But I don't know. February has honestly been great. Honestly been great in ways I cannot really like explain. I think you should tell me how your February went. My phone has been messing up, guys. Power button is feeling it to just be feeling anyhow, like Charlie. That's so cool. So cool. Whenever I wear this thing, right, this part doesn't stick. It's not normal. It's not normal, guys. And oh, my hair is growing. Also, I don't know. There will be, what was the word? Career fair in March. And I want to take professional pictures. So I don't know if like I should put hey, this looks like without yeah. I don't know if I should do cornrows still or I think I'll probably break my hair. I don't know what to really. But who said cornrows cannot be professional? Maybe I could braid them with extensions. Yeah, I could braid them with extensions or something like that. I think I could braid them with extensions. Yeah, and also one thing I've learned is that actually school will show you shady. School will show you shady. The shadiest school will show you this February. I've been contemplating a lot. I don't know. This semester is like it's just so exhausting and tiring. Been contemplating my life choices for a very, very long time. But then it's all good. On my toe, on my feet, my if it come to like my big toe, is the only one with a big nail. The rest just look very small. And for the last time, you can't even see that I have one nail. Anyways, one other lesson I've learned is that people do not actually care like that. To be very honest, just go and do that crazy thing you're thinking. Nobody really cares that much, particularly for a stranger. I mean, there are outliers, but the average person doesn't really care in great detail how your mascara is looking, how your eyelashes are tweaking, whether your skin is showing. Well, except for the Ghanaian auntie though. Typical Ghanaian auntie cares while you are wearing something, but generally people don't care. I keep saying this like I should learn to give myself grief. And I think I have been I've given myself a whole me time type thing. I'm just stressed about schooling, the future. I know people will be like, don't worry, my brain doesn't work like that, right? My brain lives in the future. That's something we are working on. But yeah, that's basically all for this video. Guys, going cutting videos. Some usually very horrendous. Like, going cutting. I'm not. I don't know what you are trying to connect. Today you are trying to connect two nations. Be in real way with your toenails. Please, go and cutting. Meanwhile, Valentine's Day was a whole lot of pressure. Was feeling some stuff. Oh, okay, something stuck connects it all this well. You know, everybody is talking about Valentine, blah blah blah, I love that, blah blah blah. I almost say Galentine's. Like I really wanted to do that with some people, you know, have like a little girls night type thing. But I guess that's a bit for another day. Am I weighing the max right now? Why is the ice? Never mind. I'm going to continue all of this later. But I guess that basically state of the life address for February 2025. Actually, I'm just going to cut this nail in this nail. Just to this way. And the rest. You can see how long I can get them to be. Ouch, 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 ouch. The goal was to actually keep the nails till March because I'm doing myself like the first 3 months of the year to do something. So when I achieve those things, then I'll cut the nail. And from the look of things, I'm nowhere near cutting these nails. But I'm definitely not going to stand by that anymore because I actually prefer my nails short. No, I prefer them short. I'll actually cut all of them. Short is way better. But it just I'm going to cut them. Give me a minute. So I'm all done. It was a very simple, me time. Then for me, I'm going to like journal, listen to some music, just relax and think positive thoughts. Yeah, I've also made another, I've also crossed another milestone, being comfortable with my hair. Like when my hair is good like this, I used to feel so uncomfortable. It was like really passes 1 week. I can't explain, just feels weird, like, what is this going to be 3 weeks? Almost going to a month. I'm excited. So yeah. That's basically it. I cut all my hair. I prefer short hairs. You see, when they do makeup, then I know it's called spray. I do not have makeup stuff, but it's just pretend. But I did. That was actually a bad idea. I just spray on my face. What is the name? It's called Color Me, the green one. Speaking of makeup, I want to learn how to do makeup, guys. Anticipate some. Why am I spraying my face like this? But I still want to do the success page. Yeah, just of course. Basically, thank you all for joining today's podcast. Thank you all for joining the State of the Life Address episode 2. Let's just hope it keeps getting better and better. February was a rough month, but I honestly learned so much. So much, and made so many realizations, and I'm thankful to God for all the challenges and the pain, the tears, and whatnot. I think I'll be speaking more on mental health these days because there's the knowledge gap that we young people have, and it's honestly sad. And last but certainly not least, I think I would like to take the whole YouTube thing very seriously now because I don't know, I was 125 subscribers. I feel like a star. Yeah, so I don't know, one of the things that people really need. Honestly, when I watch my own videos, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. So I'm just hope that's how everybody feels. And please let me know what type of vlogs, what type of content you like to see. I will not guarantee that I can fulfill everything, but we are going to try to make this a thing. And I totally need a tripod and maybe a ring light. But then the thing is, the camcorder night vision, I honestly don't like it. It feels weird, but I might just get everything on it. But the tripod is very important because my phone, like the camera is actually on the window. I mean, everything will happen already. Just look at this image. But the Lord is good. But I love people, teach me about life. Keep forgetting everything. Like, comment, share, and tell a friend. That's the thing, I do. I'm a better team. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend that you have to post it. That's period. Yeah, Ghanaian content creators are interesting. But the sale has my heart. I think I spoke about this in my very videos, which I've made private. But the sale, she has my heart. Shake the ribs, guys! It almost looked 3 times. I think for me, I can just ramble on and on. I don't need anything to say. So, bye.